Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Moto G8 Plus. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at Dolby Audio. Okay, so there's two ways of accessing Dolby Audio. The fastest way to do it and the easiest way is to pull down the notifications. And you will see it right here, Dolby Audio. Just long press on it and it will bring you straight into Dolby Audio. And the second way of doing it is going into the settings and scrolling down to sound, and then scroll down and you will see it here, Dolby Audio. Okay, so let's just read what it's all about. Okay, so Dolby Audio delivers a premium listening experience through your phone's loudspeakers and connected devices. This feature is always on when you're listening through loudspeakers, and you can adjust the settings for headphones and connected speakers. You can create custom profiles for Bluetooth USB-C audio devices. Each time you connect a device, Dolby Audio will remember the last settings you used. Okay, so by default, it's set to Smart Audio. So Dolby Audio identifies the content and performs automatic adjustments to deliver the best sound. You can select it to music if you're listening to music. So you're going to get a better sound for music. So rich, detailed audio that delivers every note and beat with power you can feel. You can also adjust the settings by going into the graphical equalizer. So these are the different options. So brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, and flat. And you can enable surround virtualizer. So create a surround sound experience through your connected device. And we also have a home level option here. Here the same volume level for each audio source. So if you like a lot of bass, you can just enable bass boost. If you like a lot of treble with less bass, just select brilliant treble. And we have vocal boost and flat. So there's quite a few different options there. So if you're watching a movie, the best option would be to enable film. You're obviously going to get the best sound quality whilst watching your movies if you select the film option. Authentic surround and surround sound and clearer dialogue for the full impact of films and TV shows. And once again, you can access the equalizer here and choose any one of these options. Okay, so I have a Bluetooth speaker here. And I'm going to connect the Bluetooth speaker to the device, so it's connected. Okay, so once you connect, you will see this option here now, this new option for custom. So it's an advanced settings for your connected device. And in here, you can manually adjust the equalizers to enable the best sound to your liking. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick sound test. Tell me if you can all hear a difference with Dolby off compared to when it's on. Okay, so let me just go into the music player. Okay, let's just turn down the volume to begin with. Okay, here we go. So that's with Dolby off. So now we're just going to turn it on. And select music. Let's turn it off. Let's turn Dolby off. Turn it back on. So you can see it does get slightly louder. Let's go through the equalizers and test for different sounds. That's brilliant treble. Bass boost. Vocal boost. And flat. It's definitely got louder with flat. Definitely. So let's just go through them once more. See, the volume's got a bit lower there. It's got a lot louder there with flat. Goes back down again. Bass boost. Can definitely hear the bass. And brilliant treble. There's not much difference with brilliant treble. Come on, focus, focus. Okay, let's turn off surround sound. Turn it on. Whoa. Can definitely hear the surround sound going on there. Yep. Okay, so let's go back. I'm not going to try film because copyright reasons. But let's go into custom. Okay, let's select root. Whoa, definitely. It's got that rich sound to it. And just in case you're wondering, is sound still coming from the device itself? From the speaker down here? No, there's no sound coming from the device itself. It's all coming through the Bluetooth speaker. Because some of you might be wondering, does the sound still come from the device? No. The answer is no. Okay, so one last thing I want to mention is if you make any settings to the graphical equalizer, you have the option to reset right here. So you can just select it and everything will go back to its default settings. Okay, I've tried connecting the 3.5mm headphone headphones to the headphone jack here, and when I do that it does not work. I'm using the AKG headphones and it does not work. It's not supported, so it doesn't enable the custom option. For the custom option to work, you will need some headphones that can fit into the USB port. Once you plug them in, then you will see the custom option come up on the display there. But yeah, if you just plug in some normal 3.5mm headphone to the headphone jack, this option won't be shown, you know what I mean? You have to use some headphones like these with a USB connector. So yeah, this was just my video showing you all the Dolby audio on the brand new Moto G6. I mean, not G6, G8 Plus, sorry. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.